Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever imagined a machine that can clean up the mess after a wild party in just seconds, or turn a job that normally takes a whole crew into something one person can handle alone? Sounds unreal, right? Well, today you're about to discover 10 insane machines that most people don't even know exist. And trust me, some of these might actually surprise you. Number 10, Bell's Machining 8000 wood processor. This machine is packed with features that almost feel too advanced to be real. The Bell's Machining 8000 wood processor comes equipped with an adjustable splitter head and even a heated operator cabin. Yes, heated. It includes a saw blade stop system and an automatic cycle splitter, making the process almost effortless. You can literally control everything using a single joystick while sitting comfortably in a suspension seat. It also features a 4-strand hydraulic live deck along with an 8-foot live deck. And here's where it gets interesting. You get 4 splitter wedge options: 6-way, 8-way, 12-way, and even 16-way depending on how aggressive you want it to be. Choose wisely, because this thing doesn't mess around. Now, let's move to the next machine. Number 9, Argus VZ 950 Titan. Argus has quietly become one of the leading names in both mobile and stationary recycling machinery, and the VZ 950 Titan proves exactly why. This machine is designed to represent raw stability, durability, and power, all while keeping its weight surprisingly low, which honestly feels almost contradictory. The real reason behind this new generation machines was to push these qualities even further. Titan shredders use adaptive technology that can handle multiple types of materials without slowing down. And here's the part most people don't realize: by refining both the machine concept and the manufacturing process, the overall investment actually becomes more attractive to clients, making it not just powerful, but also a smart decision. Number 8, Class Lexicon Combine 8900. Class didn't just upgrade their combine harvester. They completely reinvented it after working closely with farmers, contractors, and real operators. The result is the Lexicon Combine 8900 machine, built for speed, precision, and consistency crop movement. Inside the system is smooth, fast, and perfectly controlled thanks to its massive threshing and separating drums. It can unload 18,000 liters in just 100 seconds while moving at 40 kilometers per hour, which is honestly hard to believe. Dynamic cooling activates only when needed, and dynamic power can cut fuel consumption by up to 10%. On top of that, the threshing unit, cleaning system, and crop flow are continuously optimized by Semo's Automatic, making this machine almost think for itself. Number 7, Printo Forest Mulcher M650M. What if one machine could replace an entire multi-step process? That's exactly what mulching with the M650M feels like. Instead of relying on multiple machines or a full team, this beast simplifies everything into a single operation, saving both time and cost. The M650M mulcher is built for high-performance carrier trucks with engines ranging from 200 to 350 horsepower and supports Cat 3 and 4 hitches. But the real game changer is its revolutionary rotor design, which sets a completely new standard in shredding technology. Printo focuses heavily on durability, ensuring long service life while maintaining peak efficiency. And here's the twist: it's not just about performance, it's also built with environmental impact in mind, delivering maximum value, not only to the user, but also to the ecosystem. Number 6, Spate Truck 2821 TMF Log Stacker. At first glance, this machine looks massive, almost intimidating, but the real surprise is how simple it is to operate. The Spate Truck TMF Log Stacker is widely used in sawmills, paper mills, and the pulp industry, where efficiency is everything. Despite its size, it's designed to be easy to control and maintain, giving operators a comfortable working environment that actually boosts productivity throughout long shifts. The main goal here is clear: allow operators to work safely, consistently, and without unnecessary strain. This heavy-duty machine is built for fast, reliable, and cost-effective log handling. And once you see it in action, you realize it's not just powerful, it's essential, built using well-known high-quality components and backed by years of real-world expertise. This next machine proves that experience still matters. Number 5, Little Master 9000. Picking up garbage by hand isn't just slow, it's exhausting, and honestly one of the most frustrating jobs out there. But the Little Master 9000 completely changes that reality. This machine allows operators to clean up trash in record time, especially after crowded sports events and social gatherings, working as a powerful add-on vacuum system alongside existing street sweeping and park cleaning equipment. It becomes a key tool in tight, busy laneways where traditional Machines struggle, and here's the impressive part. It doesn't miss the small stuff. It efficiently sucks up cigarette butts, gum wrappers, grass clippings, plastic pellets, sawdust, and even the tiniest loose fibers that most machines leave behind. Number 4, Octanian strawberry picking machine Ruby. And now, imagine a robot that can pick strawberries as carefully as a human, without damaging a single fruit. Sound impossible, right? The Octanian autonomous strawberry picking robot does exactly that. It moves through crops with surprising precision, almost mimicking the behavior of an experienced farm worker, selecting only the right berries at the right time. The system doesn't just pick, it also sorts and monitors crop quality in real time, making precision farming more accurate than ever. And here's where it gets even more fascinating. In one smooth, continuous motion, the robotic arm gently collects the strawberries and places them into punnets with exact weight control, almost like it's been trained for years. Number 3, Case IH autonomous tractor. This is where things start to feel a little futuristic. The Case IH autonomous tractor, developed by CNH Industrial's Innovation Group, removes the need for a driver entirely. Its fully interactive interface allows operators to monitor everything remotely as the machine follows pre-programmed tasks with extreme precision. The onboard system calculates the most efficient paths based on terrain, obstacles, and even other machines working nearby. But here's the part that might surprise you. It can actually see its surroundings using radar, lidar, and advanced cameras, detecting both stationary and moving objects in real time. And if anything unexpected happens, it immediately stops and waits until the operator sends new instructions, making it not just smart, but also incredibly cautious. Number 2, the Panther. When it comes to raw power and emergency response, the Rosenbar Panther dominates the field. This is not just a firefighting vehicle. It's a high-performance machine built for the most critical situations, especially in airports. As an ARF vehicle, the Panther is known for its unmatched combination of strength, speed, and reliability. The Panther 8x8 version takes things to another level, delivering up to 1450 horsepower, reaching speeds of 135 kilometers per hour, and carrying up to 19,000 liters of extinguishing agents, which is honestly massive. Its advanced design perfectly integrates chassis, body, and firefighting systems, creating a machine that meets the intense demands of modern rescue operations without compromise. Number 1, couple BT-22. And finally, we have a machine that seems almost unstoppable in extreme terrain. The Mountain Talent couple BT-22 is a powerful single-axle vehicle built specifically for the toughest environments, especially steep slopes, where most machines simply fail thanks to its low center gravity, wide axle design, and high ground clearance. It maintains stability even in dangerous conditions. Its reinforced underbody and newly designed compact frame allow it to handle heavy-duty tasks over long periods without breaking down. And here's what makes it even more practical. Operators can control it smoothly using an easy drive power shuttle system or a rotary handle with built-in safety stop features, allowing precise speed adjustments in any situation. Thanks for watching. Now, here's something to think about. Which of these machines impressed you the most? And more importantly, have you ever seen anything like this in real life? Or are these machines still beyond what most people get to experience? And if there's another insane machine you think deserves to be on this list, let us know in the comments, because your suggestion might just be in the next video, and we'll see you next time on Machines Visit.